Hello, my friends. I will unbox Roblox Blind Bag. Common, rare, epic, legend.
Aha!
Hello, this is Kitty! Lisa made me a Hello Kitty and Cure Me house.
Okay.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Great! Great! I will go down to the kitchen to see if there's anything to eat.
Complete the house frame with hardcover and colored paper.
Ooh.
I hope you like it. First, make a bed. Glue on the hardcover. Cover the hardcover with clay. Place the bed on the left room of the second floor. Make a mattress. Apply glue. Stick cotton onto the hardcover. Cover the hardcover with a layer of fabric. Cut off the excess fabric. Place the mattress on the bed. Make a Hello Kitty bed rail. Draw Hello Kitty on the hardcover. Cut the hardcover according to the drawing. Cover the hardcover with clay. Decorate the eyes, nose, and mouth for Hello Kitty. Add some cat whiskers. Place the bed rail on the bed. Make a bed leg. Cover the hardcover with clay. Decorate the bed leg.
Whoa!
Place the bed leg under the bed.
The bed is so beautiful. I want to sleep.
Make a table. Apply glue. Combine the hardcover pieces together. Cover the hardcover with clay.
Excellent!
Place the table next to the bed. Make a moon-shaped nightlight. Cut a round shape of clay to make a moon. Decorate the face for the moon. So cute! Place the nightlight on the table. Make a mattress. Apply glue. Cover layer of cotton on the hard cover. Wrap the fabric on top. Place the mattress on the bed. Make a Kurumi bed rail. Take a piece of clay. Bind the clay with hard plastic. Combine the clay pieces together. Shape the eyes, nose, and mouth for Kurumi. Add a bow. So beautiful! Place Kurumi on the bed.
Woohoo! I'm so happy!
Make a kitchen cabinet. Apply glue. Combine several hardcover pieces together to shape the cabinet. Amazing! Make a flower pot. Take a piece of clay. Combine two pieces of clay to shape the flower pot. Add flowers. Ta-da! Place the flower pot on the kitchen cabinet. Make a gas stove. Bind the clay with hard plastic. Cut the clay into a square shape.
Great!
Place the gas stove on the kitchen cabinet.
Ew!
Add a hanging shelf. Place condiments on the hanging shelf. Make a dining table. Place the dining table next to the kitchen cabinet. The chair is also inspired by Hello Kitty and strawberries. Add 2 chairs. Use wooden pieces to make stairs. Make a swimming pool. Great! The house is complete.